Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you one other based withdrawal proof of the website to pay you Dogecoin, and that website is one of the best website because we invest and we can make it 25% of the earning every day. This website pay me after 12 or 24 hours. Okay, now you can see I make this to withdraw. Okay, I go to my Faucet Pay, open Faucet Pay to show you this website pay me. Okay, right now you can see I didn't receive my Dogecoin. I go to deposit, come down, and you can see one of these is 2 Doge, the next one is 38 Doge. Okay, last time I received 80 Doge and 31 Doge, 25 and 26, and this is 27. Okay, and I invest my other Doge in here too. I go to my balance. Okay, I invest 62 Doge in here, not 62, 49 Doge. Okay, this will be take 12 hours. I receive another withdrawal. Okay, you can see this waiting for confirmation. After 30 minutes or 1 hour, this will be confirming, and this will be pay me in my balance balance of Dogecoin easily. Okay, and just wait for few new videos, because I always make base video because of one thing. I didn't want anyone to lose their money. I just want to you earn very soon, and just I wait has 30 minutes, then I resume the video again for the withdrawal. Okay, and this will be take 10 or 12 minutes, and you can see this will be confirmed. Okay, I receive my Doge to my wallet. You can see I earned 40 Doge, and that was too great. And if you know, I started with just 90 Doge. You can go to my deposit. Okay, you can see the first deposit I make is 50 Dogecoin. Okay, right now you can see I earn 40 Dogecoin in here, and the next payout is 62 Dogecoin. Okay, 62 Dogecoin, 1 Dogecoin is the fees, cut it for the fees, and this will be pay me 61 Dogecoin. In just 2 or 3 days I make 100 Dogecoin from this website, and this website one of the best website. This will be pay you every day, and this is one of the best. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. Just come here and just this website link available in description, click it, and you can see I received this much Dogecoin from this website, and the next payout will be come to me after 12 hours. I will be make another video for this payout too. This website pay me 100%. This is not fake website, this is 100% free website. Bye bye for now.